People thought owls had supernatural powers because they could turn their heads almost all the way around without breaking their necks. At first, it seemed impossible, but when scientists uncovered the truth, it shocked everyone. I'll show you how this insane ability works in just a second, but first, if you wish you had owl vision, tap like and subscribe. So how do they do it? Turns out owls have special arteries that store extra blood, keeping their brains fully powered even while twisting their heads up to 270 degrees. Basically, owls are nature's security cameras, always watching.